second objective was to apply the principles of social learning theory. Okay? You're going to use your infograph. There are two sides to your yellow card. Okay? You're going to use your infograph to decide which statements on the yellow card fit or do not fit with the social learning theory.
Personality is an interaction between context, behavior, and psychological processes. How does that fit into social theory?
I think that's no.
I don't think.
We don't have any
Personality have to do
context.
with learning?
So now we
Okay,
do
so
the other
then this
side.
one's red.
Which one's red?
Which one?
Personality? Oh, yeah, well, but it's social theory. Personality has to, like, you're interacting.
Are these making any sense?
No.
Teachers teach by telling learners what and how to do something.
Right.
That is true.
That's true. Green.
What and how to do something.
I feel like this is he's observing first before they actually go and tell kids to do things.
In this scenario too?
Yeah, look, see? He's looking at her do this. He's looking at her do this. This is how you do this.
Like if you notice someone's behavior that's distinctive and it's complex, you probably it's gonna enhance your attention towards the behavior.
And you can think about it in general. If somebody's just going on about stuff you generally know, does it stick? Or if you start hearing specifics, or if you have
What and how to do something. Not
I think it's
all teachers do that.
Not successful teachers.
Yeah.
Well, the question is, does it fit with social learning theory?
Yeah, I think, well, based on this thing, I feel like, you think it does? I think it does. This
Read
is like,
this.
I remember this is how I saw someone read, teach by telling learners
By
what.
telling learners.
I guess draws attention to what they do.
So is that right or wrong?
Well, the question is not whether or not it's true or false. The question is, does it fit with social learning theory? So if you look at your infograph here, what do you understand about how people learn according to social learning theory? How do they learn? Based on what you have and know about social learning theory,
Yeah.
people learn by watching other people use that. Yeah. Okay. Observed behavior is directly linked to future action. Does that fit? Observed behavior is directly linked to future action? Yes. No. Follow your infograph. You care about it. Sometimes you practice, you mental rehearse it before you go and do it. Okay? So it's an indirect, not a direct link. Personality is an interaction between context, behavior, and psychological process. Is that a fit for social learning theory? No. Yes, it is. Okay? There's the interconnection, okay, between the situation you're in, the behavior you're watching and want to learn to do, and your thought process. Those are all integrated, okay? Distinctiveness and complexity enhance attention to behavior. Yes, that fits. For example, the fact that this was a totally different exercise, you all paid more attention to it than you would have if I was just standing in front of the room talking about it. Yes? People do not necessarily have to practice what they learn to retain it. That does not fit with social learning theory, okay? Bandura believes that context and behavior are reciprocal and cause each other. We just answered that one. Is that a fit? Yes, that's a fit. Teachers teach by telling learners what and how to do something. Is that a fit for social learning? No, you have to observe what's going on. You cannot just be told. Retention of learning requires symbolic images and cognitive organization. Is that a fit? Yes. People can learn by watching themselves.
Yes.
Absolutely. Yeah. One of the best things you can do as a new nurse, when you get report in the morning, do a mental rehearsal of the worst thing that could happen to your patient that day and practice in your head what would you do if it actually happened. That is a great way to learn. To learn, people have to be motivated to imitate what they observe.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, if you don't care, you're not going to imitate it, you're not going to learn. Motivation to learn is enhanced by the perceived functional value of the activity. Yes, yeah, you guys don't want to learn anything that doesn't have to do with nursing right now, yes? Bandera believes that the environment causes behavior without intervening cognitive process. No. Very good. Speak up, you guys. You know the answers. Retention is enhanced by mental rehearsal. Yes. Very good. Okay. You can put those materials away.